Imagine a day when I return to your lips in search of what's rightfully mine, my island heart of bells, the red lips of silence and salty hands. Picture a time when my emigrant verse will bestow upon you its southern sweetness, its blood of trembling and ship, and will scatter your beauty across the ocean. Let the underwater explorers quarrel over you, the mysterious fish, the heavenly foam, the waves that come back adorned with colorful scales. Visualize a day when there will be no more goodbyes, and I will remain with you, my island, forever, a heart of bells. A heart, a place, a memory, all entwined in a timeless dance of longing and return, a dance that transcends the physical, reaching out to touch the very soul, a dance that speaks of home, of belonging, of love. So dream of that day, the day when I will return. Until then, let the rhythm of the bells guide you, let the salty air fill your lungs, and let the memory of my emigrant verse keep you company in the silence.